Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
What, when, where? What time is it? It's 5. We have to get going. Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. Is Spanish spoken there? When does the movie start? In a few minutes. Good. What is she doing? I think she is taking a nap. Wake her up. Where are you going? To the pancake house. Getting pancakes? When should I call? In an hour. Talk to you then. What are you reading? It's a textbook. I didn't know you're in school. Where are the sandwiches? In the picnic basket. Okay, I see them. When did you stop smoking? Last Thursday. Oh, so soon. Don't stop now. Keep practicing. What time does the train arrive? Soon. Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. When does it start? In a few minutes. What is she doing? Taking a nap. Where are you going? To the pancake house. When should I call? In an hour. What are you reading? It's a textbook. Where are the sandwiches? In the picnic basket. When did you stop smoking? Last Thursday. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There, you can download all the worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please go to my Patreon page, support me there, and get all the worksheets we do at our live stream classes. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.